Handlebar installation. Insert the handlebar. Fixed handlebar. Note the safety line on the handlebars. Insert the handlebar to the depth that reaches the safety line and secure it. Installation the rear view mirrors. Remove the lid. Adjust the nut on the rear view mirror back a little. Install the rear view mirror and tighten it. Tighten the nut on the rear view mirror. The same operation on the other side. Installation of headlights. Stick the reflective sheet in the middle. Adjust the position of the headlights and tighten the screws to fix it. Installing the cushion. The seat cushion insertion depth should exceed the safety line. Adjust the seat height according to your needs. Tighten the safety snap ring and lock it. Installing the rear seat pegs. Remove the 2 screws. Install the pedals and tighten the screws. The same operation on the other side. When installing the pedals, pay attention to the letters on the pedals and install them in the corresponding direction. Insert the pedal into the pedal shaft and turn it clockwise to secure the pedal. Then use a wrench to tighten the pedals. Then use a wrench to tighten the pedals. The same goes for the other side. Pay attention to the letters on the pedals and install them. Installing the battery. Fold up the cushion. Use the key to remove the battery and take away the foam on both sides, then install and lock it. Finally, connect the power cord and fasten the lock. Use the key to start the electric bike for testing.